Hello everyone. Today's Let's Practice video, we are going to solve a organic chemistry problem from a real world molecule. Here the real world compound is beta carotene. We all know that beta carotene is available in carrots, papaya, usually all orange color fruits and vegetables contain beta carotene. When we consume beta carotene inside human body, this beta carotene converts to retinol. Retinol further converts to retinal and retinal converts to retinoic acid. So there are two types of retinal or retinoic acid we can get like cis and trans. But here I am not going to discuss about cis trans configuration. Retinol is also known as vitamin A, and we know that how vitamin A is important for the vision. So now from this conversion we can see that primary alcohol converts to aldehyde. Aldehyde converts to carboxylic acid. So from this conversion and from the structure of this type of molecule, we are going to solve a couple of practice problems to check that how we can implement our organic chemistry concepts and the knowledge in a real world molecules. First problem is, which qualitative test will perform to confirm the unsaturation in retinol and retinal? Second question, how will you prove that retinol contains primary alcohol? Third one, propose a synthetic route to convert retinol to retinal and retinoic acid in chemistry lab. All these conversion from alcohol to aldehyde and carboxylic acid is happening in human body in presence of different enzymes. Now if we perform same reaction in the lab, then which are the reagents we are going to use to convert alcohol to aldehyde and then acid? So this is the first question, that which qualitative test will we perform to confirm the unsaturation in retinol and retinal? Now unsaturation means double bond or triple bond. If you look at this structure, you can see that it is a unsaturated compound and it's a extended unsaturation. This kind of unsaturation is called conjugation. Means here you can see single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. It's like an alternative single bond, double bond type of compound is called conjugated compound. So now whenever we have a conjugation, that is called, or you have a double bond or triple bond, this kind of molecule is called unsaturated molecule. So we'll perform bromine carbon tetrachloride test or bromine water test to confirm the presence of unsaturation, means to confirm the presence of double bond. Now let me take a simple example. This is also a compound which contain conjugation, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Now if we add bromine carbon tetrachloride, which is yellow in color, and the solution of this compound will be colorless. So when we start to add bromine in CCl4 in this unsaturated compound, we can see that slowly colored yellow color or deep orange color is going to change, because bromine undergoes electrophilic addition reaction with the double bond. So here you can see 2 and 3 position there are double bond, 4 and 5 position there is double bond. So now 2 and 3 position there is, it become a single bond and 2 bromine atoms attached across the double bond. So this is called anti-addition, means 2 bromine is adding opposite direction. So due to this electrophilic addition, bromine water color gets disappear. Now this test tube contain bromine in CCl4. You can see the color of the solution is deep orange color, and this test tube contain a compound which has unsaturation. Now when you are adding bromine in CCl4 into this compound which contain unsaturation, you can see this test tube doesn't show any yellow or orange color. It looks almost colorless or maybe faded yellow. So this conversion from orange to almost colorless proves that this test tube which contain a compound having unsaturation. Now second question is, how will you prove that retinol contain alcohol? Now if we look into the structure of retinol, we can see it contains primary alcohol. So this is a simple experiment we can perform to convert retinol to retinoic acid. That means convert primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. And in this regard, we have to take a strong oxidizing agent like Jones reagent. Now Jones reagent is a chromium trioxide solution in dilute sulfuric acid where the chromium is in +6 oxidation state and the color of chromium +6 is orange. So it's a deep orange color solution. Now when you add Jones reagent in retinol or maybe any primary alcohol, it may be you need some heating or maybe without heating also conversion can happen. So you can see the orange color changes to deep green color because Jones reagent oxidize primary alcohol to carboxylic acid and chromium 6 reduces to chromium 3 which is green in color. So how the Jones reagent works, if you want to know more details, you can check this YouTube video. Now you can see the color change. So this is Jones reagent, deep red or orange in color. Now when you add any compound having primary alcohol, so with primary alcohol oxidized to acid and chromium +6 which is present in Jones reagent reduced to chromium 3 and which is green in color. So this kind of color change proves that the organic molecule having primary alcohol. Third question is, propose a synthetic route to convert retinol to retinal and retinoic acid in chemistry lab. From the previous slide, we have seen if we use Jones reagent, it can convert retinol to retinoic acid. We also can use another reagent which is alkaline KMnO4 solution. It also can convert primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. Actually, the reaction proceeds via aldehyde. Since we are using very strong oxidizing agent, so we cannot isolate aldehyde. Rather than we isolate carboxylic acid compound. But if we want to isolate the aldehyde groups, then we have to use a weak oxidizing agent like PCC or PDC. Then primary alcohol will convert into aldehyde. Then from aldehyde to carboxylic acid conversion, we can use Jones reagent or KMnO4 solution. So this is the structure of PCC and PDC. PCC is pyridinium chlorochromate and PDC is pyridinium dichromate. So if you like this video, then give your feedback and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Chemistry Affinity to get updated with various chemistry related topics, some practice problem, some real world examples, some fundamental concepts. So all kind of chemistry related topics I cover in my channel Chemistry Affinity. So don't forget to subscribe my channel Chemistry Affinity and If you have any questions or query, you can send me a mail to chemistry.affinity@gmail.com. Thank you for watching it.